guys. In this time, let me introduce myself to you first. My name is Naila Amorita Chakra, and my student's number is 2024 32051. And this time, I was like to explain about the third practicum. It's about simple linear regression. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, the theory report contains several formulas that will be used to solve some data. In general, simple linear regression uses a formula like this. The y value means the dependent variable and the x value means the independent variable. Besides that, the b value means the slope and the a value means the intercept. In this material, there are what are called dependent variable and independent variables. The dependent variable is the variable that is a fact or becomes the result of the existence of the independence variable in a study, while the independent variable is the variable whose value or condition can be changed or manipulated by the research to see its effects on another variables. Then there is what is called the graph of regression results, multiple R, and Pearson correlation coefficient, which is actually almost the same, but multiple R is more commonly used in multiple linear regression. Then there is what is commonly called R square and the coefficient of determination, but are also the same thing. After discussing some formulas, as you can see in this practicum report, advertising cost data means X and sales data means Y, have been provided, which will be processed into linear regression graphics, whose process will include data preparation, data processing, and presentation of graph data in accordance with the scope of material in the technical report given. And this is the practicum results. Okay, the practical steps to produce the result as shown above are: the first is data preparation. Based on the data that has been given, where the data amounts to 15 data, but there are some empty Y data. So, the first step in preparing this data is to find the empty Y value using the formula like this. But to calculate the Y value, you have to find the X squared, Y squared, X multiple Y value first by using the existing X and Y data, and then sum them up with the sum formula as shown below. Next is finding value of n, average x, average y, b, and a, adjust to the respective formulas as shown below. After all the values have been obtained, you can complete the y value in the empty data by using the a simple regression linear formula with the A and B values. Click with F4 on the keyboard. Then the cell is pulled down so the value can be filled in. And then sum up the value using the sum formula. The example is like in the picture below. The next step is data processing, which after all the data is complete, it can be continued by creating a tables as in the picture number 1, as in the picture of point 1 below, which contains x and y value, x and y value, x square, y square, x multiple y value data adjust to their respective formula, and then sum up using the sum formula as in the picture below. Then find the n value using the count formula, the average of using the formula like this, and the average of y value using the formula like this. After that, continue by finding the values of B and A to determine the relationship between advertising costs and sales using the slope formula like this, and A value using the intercept formula like this, which can be seen in the picture below. And then the final step is to present the data graphically, and the steps which can be seen on the screen, and resulting in a graph like the one shown here. And that's all about my explanation to how to find simple linear regression. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next practicum. Bye bye.